welcome back to How to Cook. I'm Bill Cook, and today I'm doing what may be my last Naugles video, not because of any other reason other than I've done them all the interesting ones anyways. The rest of the menu is pretty straightforward, but I've been covering a lot of the more interesting, colorful items that they have. And if you don't know what Naugles is, go to nauglestacos.com. I'll put a link here, the website name here-ish, something like that. There are two locations in Orange County. There's Fountain Valley and there's Staten. They used to have Ortega, but it closed down, and the company's really kind of going through a bit of a rough patch at the moment, perhaps. So if you remember Naugles, you don't live in Southern California, or you do, and you just haven't been there yet, and you're planning a pilgrimage, you're going to go there eventually, you just haven't got around to it, I'd hurry. I'm not predicting anything, and I'm not saying anything, and I don't know anything. But if I had to guess, I'd say, you might want to go soon. Just throwing it out there. Because Naugles is awesome, and I really hope they make it. I hope they do a great job. I hope they fix some of the issues that they've been having. But doggone it, what they don't need to fix is that incredible menu that they have. And what's one of the funnest things on that menu? The Ortega Burger, of course. So we are making the Ortega Burger. What do you need to make an Ortega Burger? You need a burger, you need an Ortega chili. That is an Ortega chili. It's just, these are the ones that come in the can. That's what they use. So that's what I'm using. Of course, they use a much bigger can. I'm using the small can because I'm just making the one burger. They make them by the hundreds, so they have big cans. I don't know why you needed to know that. What goes on the Ortega Burger? Well, I'm going to show you as we assemble it, but we got to cook it first. So that's what we're going to do right now, is get cooking, and stove's over there. So I'll meet you over there. Cooking our burger here is pretty much Burger 101. We've got some butter in our cast iron pan. It's smoking hot. We're going to cook this until it's nice and toasted because toasted buns are delicious. And as soon as you get looking like that, just pull these things off and we are ready to move on to the burger. Again, the pan's about 500 degrees. We've got a 3-ounce patty here. We formed in a burger ring, a 4.5-inch ring. That gets a nice thin burger. Takes about a minute per side. Just give it a flip. As soon as you start seeing it bleeding again, it's done. We don't have any cheese, so we're ready to assemble. Alright, that was pretty easy. It's pretty straightforward. It's a regular hamburger, fast food style burger. Naugles, of course, if you're familiar with the burgers or you've seen my Ortga Burger video, which I did a while ago, does something very interesting. They have a thing called their white sauce. Their white sauce is about 2 parts mayonnaise, 1 part buttermilk, salt and pepper, kind of heavy on the pepper, pinch of sugar. That is, 2 tablespoons of each of the liquids there, and it makes this beautiful, wonderful, tangy sauce that is incredible. It's akin to a ranch, but without the herbs in it and stuff like that. It's a sauce from back in the day, so, that's kind of the sauces they had back in the day. Naugles started in about 1970, so, plan accordingly when you're trying to research recipes. What goes on this burger? We got lettuce, tomato, the Ortega chili, we got a burger, there's no cheese, and we have white sauce. And basically, you just put a pile of lettuce down here, you white sauce the heck out of this thing, just about like that, kind of drown it in the white sauce, to be honest with you. Okay, our tomato goes down. Oh yeah, not just like that. Perfect. We've got our beautiful Ortega chili here. That's going on top. We take our 3-ounce all beef patty, seasoned with just seasoning salt, basically. Cook it off, hot and fast. That's a Naugles Ortega Burger, or anybody else that makes an Ortega Burger, except Naugles uses this amazing white sauce. Makes it pretty special. It really does. So that is my suggestion. If you want to have a different kind of Ortega Burger, is make some of that white sauce. It's fantastic, and it goes on this thing, and she is pretty. Oh, she's pretty yummy, isn't she? That's a burger smile. Now the cheese, no cheese thing, is an interesting idea, but it really does kind of clash with a chili. I played with this a little bit. And personally, I think they nailed it. The cheese kind of gets in the way, it steps on it. There's certain things you don't put together in combinations. Pickles and bacon don't really go really well together. If you're having pickles on a burger, don't put bacon on it. If you have bacon on a burger, don't put pickles on it. And apparently with this, you don't put cheese on it. So now we know that's the secret to a beautiful Naugles Ortega Burger. There you go. I'm going to take the thumbnail shots real quick so that we can get you convinced to click on this video. You've already seen it. How did I do? Did they turn out good? Okay, well then, no pressure. See, that didn't take long. I mean, it might have taken a second for me, but for you, it's instant because I love you guys. I don't want you to wait around while I'm doing that. It would be weird if we did that in real time, wouldn't it? Plus, I'm standing there and you'd be looking at my butt. Nobody wants that. Even I don't want that. All right, I'm cutting into this thing so that we can see the inside of our beautiful Ortega Burger. Okay, I get the 3-point stance on the burger so that you can properly get it cut. Oh, we got some of that beautiful white sauce oozing out. Oh, don't she look pretty, folks? Don't she look pretty? Yeah, she does. I'm going to get this little extra bit of white sauce right there. I really love this white sauce. I'm going to take a bite of this thing because I personally, like I said, I did a little bit of experimenting before, but I think this is the perfect combination. I just tried it with the cheese and I realized cheese was bad. I haven't tried it without the cheese, so I'm going in. I'm making a mess. Okay, I haven't been to Naugles since they reopened. I haven't tasted what theirs tastes like, but if it's that good, that place should not be having financial problems at all. They should have lines wrapped around the building, because, just saying, maybe they should hire me to cook for them. No, you couldn't afford me. But that, you know how to make this. You can make this sucker, and if you're anywhere near or going to Southern California, going to go to Orange County, stop by a Naugles location. They are open. I don't think they have a drive-through anymore at either one of them, but go in, say hi, and tell them I sent you. They'll say, who the hell is that? Because they don't know me. It'll be funny, though. Don't tell them that. It's just going to get confusing, and then, oh, geez. Yeah, done. Anyways. There, we saved ourselves a bunch of grief. Leave me out of it. But go there if you can. If you can't, make this at home. I'm not sponsored by them. I'm just doing what I can to help out, because somebody making stuff like this should still be around and still be in business. So, hey, support those that make food you love. That's what I say. And I also say thank you for watching this video. If you want to hit the like button down there if you enjoyed this video, I'm not going to be mad at you for that. I forgive you. And I say thanks for watching. And if you want to see more videos like this, see me next time when I come up with something interesting. And if you haven't seen the rest of the Naugles videos, there should be a Naugles playlist on the homepage of the channel here. And you can check out the rest of them, because they got some cool stuff, and I'm banging this stuff around. So it is time for me to say goodbye. Goodbye.